Hello. Today we're going to learn how to insert speaker's notes into a presentation, PowerPoint presentation. The first thing I want to mention is that I initially thought, based on the content in the classroom, that speaker's notes was going to be in audio format. It's not. It's quite literally notes down at the bottom of the page. But let's go to PowerPoint, and the way to do that is go up to the top where we have our the name of our class, name of the college. Then you have the little symbol for home. You click on the home symbol, and it returns us to our initial login page where you have course admin, insights portal, help, resources. Click on resources. Come down to email and other 365 apps. Click on access Office 365 apps. And the apps are all in alphabetical order. So you just go to PowerPoint. It's also over here. And you can open a new one. First thing I would do is just put in a bunch of slides. However many you think you will need. You can add more or delete more later. That's where new slide is here. And then what you can do is just go back to the top, put in a title page, and I'm going to make this writing a schedule. Put in your class and we'll say team 5. Doesn't exist, but we'll make it team 5. Scroll down to your next one or just click on it. And you could say planning a schedule. And then you can just put in things like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, if bullet points did not come up, you can go from home over here and it will insert bullets. Now we want to insert notes, our speaker notes. And I come down here to the bottom line and it says notes. So I just click on the notes and it opens up this whole area down here for typing in. And this is where the real text would go. Step in planning a to insert the required items. And you could just continue to write right along here. And then the notes section is there with every subsequent slide. Monday and so forth. Okay, so that's basically how we do it. Okay, thank you.